What up, Raf leaders? Welcome back to my channel. Since I'm in this neck of the woods, that's Princess Street and Vlissengen Road, I thought I'd bring you an update on what's happening with this road construction. So, the construction of this road, which used to be called Cemetery Road, now they're calling it Vlissengen Road, has been ongoing for over a year. And we're at the stage where they're building this culvert at the corner of Princess Street and Vlissengen Road. Now, this is a continuation for the connecting road. Right, so narrow street that connects Vlissengen Road through what is that? Lodge? Workmanville Lodge to Cemetery Road. And this is what has been done so far. Now they've closed both halves of this road now. So this is what they've done. And they started building this culvert. But I wanted to show you how far they've come since the last time we've been in this neck of the woods. They have now completed the middle walk. It's not a sidewalk, but they've paved the middle of the road, completed the middle walk, and they've paved one side. They've covered the western side of this road with asphalt. And last time we were here, I think this side of the road was covered with stones, chipped stones. Now both sides are covered with chipped stones, and the western side is covered with asphalt. So they've managed to make some progress. It's still far from complete. Like I said, they're completing the culvert at the north end, right? They're completing the culvert at the north end. That's looking back where we came from. They're completing the culvert at the north end. They're now paving the east side of this divided Cemetery Road, Vlissengen Road, and they've completed the east side and the pavement. So they've covered the middle walkway with paving, well, concrete, not paving stones, but concrete. So they've made a tremendous progress in the last 6 months. The last time we looked at this road, they had closed half of it in both sides, both traffic in both directions. It was using one side of the road. So there is a noticeable progress. Right, again, that's the cemetery. That's the Larry Pintier Cemetery. We're looking at the west side of the road, it's the cemetery, and that's the east side. It's just about sunrise. It's about 6:10, 6:15 in the morning, and actually this is a path. I don't know if they're going to build a road through the cemetery here, but this is a road. It used to be a road through the cemetery on both sides. But yeah, guys, this is the update on what's happening with Cemetery Road. The construction, right, the new construction of Cemetery Road goes all the way out to Mandela Avenue. That is the back road, and it's at various stages of corruption. It's close. So the road is at various stages of corruption, completion. Corruption is such a common place problem in Guyana that comes out. Yeah, they're closing. This is the road. Actually, they opened this half of the cemetery, you know, back in the 90s. There was no burial on this half. This was a landfill, and now they've opened the eastern half. In fact, my mom is buried down in that street. I'll probably go look for it sometime soon. Look for the grave again sometime soon. But here is what has happened so far. They've actually completed half of the construction of Cemetery Road, and if you go further up to the south end of this street, this is basically a street that cuts straight through the cemetery and through East Rumbelt, East La Penitence rather. East La Penitence and yeah, East La Penitence on the west and East Rumbelt on the east side. And so if you go further up to the south end, you'll find that they've actually started working on the the east side, right? I'm going to show you that in a minute. But that's what's happening here, guys. I just wanted to give you a brief update on what's happening here with Cemetery Road, also known as Mandela Avenue. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening here in La Penitence, in Georgetown, Guyana. Just right up the street here, there's Independence Boulevard. Right, they've actually changed the name. Well, what used to be called Punt Trench Dam is now Independence Boulevard. And just want to show you that they've actually completed that little park that they were building at Punt Trench Dam. I'll show you that in the next video. Later!